Meaning of fare.
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 Fair.
Fare. Fare has several meanings, but it generally refers to the cost or price of transportation services such as bus, train, or airplane tickets. It can also refer to the food that is served on a journey, such as on a ship or airplane. In addition, fare can be used as a verb to describe how well someone is doing in a particular situation. For example, how did you fare in the exam? Overall, fare typically refers to the cost of transportation or the food served during transportation, with additional uses as a verb to describe one's performance in a situation.